Hey you guys, I am out in my garden looking over my giant jalapeno plants, and look at what I found. Looks like he's praying, but it looks like he's been eating at my jalapeno pepper plants. You can see right here, missing a couple stuff over here as well. And then I'm looking down here, it looks like he started eating this one. So it looks like he's been doing a little bit of damage. There's another one. If you can see it, the baby one right there. Can you see him? That one's doing some damage as well. But this one gotten a little bit bigger. Okay, so when you garden, deal with a whole bunch of creepy crawlies. Doesn't he look like he's praying? He's praying for his next meal. I don't like creepy crawlies, and this would be classified as one of them. And then that would be another one. So best thing to do is try to get them off, and they stick really badly. Look, he doesn't want to come off. Oh, come on. This wouldn't be as bad if I had one more hand, huh? You guys see him? There he is. So you have to get rid of them, because if you keep them around trying to be nice, this is what your jalapeno pepper is gonna look like. And I'm actually surprised that it ate it. I haven't really had any problem with them eating my jalapeno plants. Usually they go to my tomato plants, but my tomato plants kind of got decimated this year. I don't know what's going on. So here's the other one. So it's like a mother and a baby. It looks really soft and squishy. But this is called, what's it called? Something hornworm caterpillar or whatever. But they like to eat your tomato plants. These are the guys you find on your tomato plants. It looks like a unicorn caterpillar. Hopefully it's just those two that's been decimating my jalapeno plants. But I didn't even see them until they got that big. I mean, they kind of just blend right on in if you think about it, because look, see, there's this part right here where a jalapeno was. They kind of look just like them. So you just have to really look, make sure, because it looks like they even eat your jalapeno, which I'm actually, like I said, I'm really surprised that they do. It's not extremely hot, but, which is probably why they only ate the outer part. That part's not really hot. It kind of tastes like a bell pepper, but once you reach the seeds and the rinds on the inside, the white part, that's where it got really hot. This one, it looks like it's a young one, but whatever ate it started glued to that seed part. So here they are, and they're kind of tough as nails to kill. Ugh, so squishy. So, wonder where it came from. Gonna squish it, ugh, and put it back in the ground. This one's be a lot harder to squish. I don't really want to squish that one. That one's grossing me out. Where can I put him? Let's take them somewhere else. They're very hard to squish when they get to be this size. And honestly, I wish I can say I have a good spot for him, but I don't. I'm just going to put him in the trash can. This is the first two that I've seen in a really long time. I haven't had any problems or issue, but I think that's about it. I'm going to put him in the trash can. And that's what I found in my garden today. I hope you guys have better luck trying to keep your garden alive. It's almost fall time, so I'm imagining everything's coming to its end, but this guy's still hanging around though. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.